This is our Mount Hood Maple Real Wood Deluxe Closet. Raised panel fronts, standing just about 10 feet tall to the ceiling, with upper cabinets and crown molding. Now, just a few of the unexpected functionalities that you can find in this unit include the pull-out ironing board hidden behind a drawer front facade. This ironing board pulls out and unfolds, spins around, and becomes a very useful ironing board space you'd never know was there. And it's just as easy to put back. You simply rotate, flip it, push it back in, and it disappears. We also have a flip down cabinet here, which shows the Sentry safe unit we can offer. Another very popular accessory. Most closets need a hamper, and our pull-out hamper offers a great and visually appealing solution that is fully integrated into your closet. With multiple different bag colors and sizes and a soft close mechanism, it's a fantastic option for hampers in your closet. Here we have a beautiful display cabinet, fully fronted in glass with lighting and glass shelves. It's a great way to display purses, shoes, handbags, pictures, anything that you'd like. And throughout the closet here, we have very functional double hanging throughout, as well as some longer single hanging sections. You can see here the glass shelves, the LED lighting. We also have fully enclosed shoe storage here with a bonus hanging rod up above. This section of the closet is multifunctional. It has a short hanging section, a shelf up above for storage, and then a lot of roll-out shoe shelving. What's really great about these is it lets you take an extra deep space and get a lot of functionality out of the shelf. You can see this is nice and deep, and pulling it out all the way lets you stack shoes too deep. And it also works great for things like boots. You can lay them flat and then stack them in a way that lets you pull the shelf out and see everything that you have.